Reasons why your life is so boring. Feeling like life is so boring can happen to anybody, and for various reasons. Sometimes it's due to routine, lack of excitement, or feeling stuck. Here are some reasons why it might feel that way, and what you can do to improve it. Number one, it could be due to a lack of variety. Doing same things every day can make life feel monotonous. Let me explain lack of variety. It means doing the same stuff all the time, which can make life kind of boring. Don't you think so? Imagine eating the same meal every single day. It might taste good in the beginning, but after a while, it gets dull. So, to make life more interesting, try to mixing things up. Like go eat out once in a while, do different stuff like trying new hobbies. For example, you are into video games. How about trying a physical sports? Physical game sports like basketball, cycling, or go to the gym, work out, or simply hiking. Try going to new places and change your routine, your daily routine. It's like adding different flavors to your life to make it more exciting. Get it? Number two, social isolation. Lack of social connection can contribute to a dull life. Cultivate friendships, join clubs or groups, and engage in social activities that interest you. Social isolation means not being connected to other people much, which can make life feel a bit lonely and boring. Think of it like being on an island all by yourself. It might be peaceful for a while, but eventually you would want some company, right? So to make it more lively, try connecting with others. Make friends, join clubs, or be a part of groups that share your interests. It is like building a community around yourself. If you are a Christian like me, I'm sure your church offers variety of fellowships based on ages. If you are single, you can go to single ministry, youth ministry, or adults ministry, parents ministry, and so on. By hanging out with people, chatting, fellowshipping, and doing fun things together becomes more colorful and exciting. Number three, lack of goals. Not having clear goals or a sense of purpose can make life seems aimless. Set achievable short-term and long-term goals that can give your life direction and meaning. Oh yeah, it's like wandering without a map. You're not sure where you're going. And when you feel that way, life might seem a bit empty, like something is missing. So, to make life more interesting and fulfilling, set some goals. Think about the things you want to do or achieve. This can be a small things you want to do soon or bigger dreams you dream of doing someday. When you have these goals, it's like having a map. It gives your life direction. You would know what you are aiming for, and that makes everything you do feel more meaningful and exciting. Number four, unfulfilling pursuits. Sometimes our current activities don't align with our passions. Assess what truly excites you and invest time and energy into those pursuits. Picture this. Have you ever felt like you are spending your time on things that don't really light up your world? It's like wearing someone else's shoes, right? They might look okay, but they don't fit quite right. Well, here's the thing. Sometimes what we're doing doesn't match up with what truly makes us happy. But don't worry, there is a spark waiting to ignite inside you. Take a moment to think about what gets you buzzing with excitement. What makes your heart sing? That is where the magic lies. When you invest your time and energy in those passions, it's like finding the perfect shoes. they fit just right. And suddenly, every steps you take feels like a joyful dance towards something fulfilling. Number 5, fear of change. Fear of change can keep our life boring. Indeed, embrace change, face your fear, and challenge yourself to try new experiences, meet new people, or taking up a new skill. Sometimes being scared stops us from trying new things. It's like being stuck in a cozy but kind of boring bubble. But guess what? Change is like an adventure waiting to happen. So, instead of letting fear hold you back, why not dive into something new? Challenge yourself to do things you have never done before, like trying activities that seem interesting. Example, volunteer in your community to whatever programs they have. Or don't you know whatever programs there are available? Then you start there. Go out and find out and talk to people. Do your research or learn a new skill. It could be cooking, video editing, photography, playing musical instruments, and other things to your liking. It's like opening a door to a whole new world of excitement and discovery. When you embrace change, life becomes fulfilling journey full of surprises and awesome experiences. Take it from me, Mommy Sonic, yours truly. Always remember, life is an adventure. Life is an adventure meant to be explored. Take a leap outside of your comfort zone regularly. Try out new things and take smart risks. Let your passion lead the way. Whether it's painting, hiking, dancing, singing, YouTubing, or anything that can set your soul on fire. And hey, don't forget the people. Nurture those meaningful relationships because they are like the sunshine on a rainy day. They make life brighter. Keep that curiosity alive by learning something new every day, like books, courses, or just simply soaking in experiences. And amidst the hustle, take a moment to breathe, soak in the present, and find joy in life's treasure. Remember, each step you take beyond what is familiar opens a door to a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Just so you know, some of the topics I have discussed here really resonates with me. Right now, I'm diving into this new whole world through my video channel, the Mommy Sonic Adventures. This channel of mine is like having a cup of coffee with a friend. And it's not just about making videos. It is about meeting new virtual friends and building a little community. I have been working hard to set goals, like aiming to grow my channels and create a real, family-minded folks. It feels amazing, like I'm stepping into an awesome adventure. Learning how to edit, learning the ins and outs of YouTube, understanding algorithms, trying new things, and so many things. Watching my dreams take shape. It's all about learning something new every day. It feels like painting a canvas of life, and each little step feels like adding a splash of color to an ever-evolving masterpiece.
Wow!
If you haven't done so, please give me a like and subscribe so I will see you again soon in my next upload. Thank you for tuning in.